We are now ready to look at our wallet tools. Let's look first at cashing out money from my MonaVie commissions account to a financial institution. When I click on that link, it's going to take me to a remove funds page and says, first of all, select a destination. Where are you sending the money? If I'm sending that to the United States, I click on that and continue. And now it brings up a check specimen to show me what numbers it's going to be looking for to identify my financial institution. Let's say that the type of account that I'm sending my money to is going to be my checking account, and then I enter in the routing number from that check. And of course, then I'm going to insert my account number so that it identifies the right person, the right account that will be sending this information to. And then I can put the holder of the account, which of course would be me in this situation. Once I have entered in that information, I click continue at the bottom of the screen. Now notice that this has a caution sign because it couldn't verify my account number. I used that example from our demo account. But let's continue on. I click confirm after identifying my account. Now I have to say how much money am I going to be transferring. So we'll look here at the bottom of the screen where it talks about entering an amount for the transaction. There is a $2 service fee assigned with any removal of funds, so that's automatically going to come from any balance that I might be transacting. I can put in the exact amount of the transaction. Let's say I wanted to transact $20 worth of US dollars. I'd enter that there. Another option that I have, which is nice to know, is I can take all of my funds. You notice what we have up here at the top under account balance, and it is showing me if I'm going to US Bank that I could take all of my money, and here they are according to the different exchange rates, and it says that I have a total of $18 of funds in US dollars in my wallet. Now if I click on this little radio button that says $16 in US dollars, that's the 16 plus the $2 service fee, which would total my $18 in the account. Well, let's say I want to do that. So I simply click on continue. And now what it's going to do is it's going to, as always on these screens, it's going to give me a confirmation screen to say, is this really what you want to do? And it'll give me the details of that transaction. Assuming that is what I want to do, I click confirm. Because I'm about out of money in my demo account, I'm just going to click on the back button. All right, hopefully that made sense. And now we know how to transact a cash out from my account. There might be one other thing that would be useful to show you in this screen, and that's that nickname that we saw earlier. If I'm going to use my same checking account every month when I get my MonaVie commissions account, which is probably very likely, I can set that as a, you saw that earlier where it said nickname, by clicking on this button now and saying, yep, that's the account I want it to send to. Now I click on continue. And instead of asking me for the account number, it automatically knows what the account number is. Let's say now I'm transacting, let's say $5 I'm sending to that account. I click continue, and it has captured my account number from my earlier transactions, the amount of money, etc. So again, I would click confirm here to remove those funds. So that's called a nickname, a very handy tool that you'll probably use quite frequently.